The trio, Tao Huziong, 46, Jinrong Wang, 36, both Chinese nationals, and Julius Laurentius, 47, a Namibian, have been in custody since December last year. The suspects were arrested on charges of defrauding the Ministry of Finance through a Walvis Bay customs clearing agency of about $3.5 billion. Defense lawyer Sisa Namanje, representing the two Chinese nationals, argued that the state had no case against his clients and no concrete evidence had been provided as a reason for their arrest. While tabling his final submissions, Namanje further argued the $3.5 billion figure remains a label because the state had not provided proof as to how the figure came about. Last week, an investigator in the case, Chief Inspector John Matongwe, opposed the granting of bail, saying the accused may abscond and interfere with investigations. However, Namanje reminded the court of previous cases in which foreigners facing serious crimes were granted bail. Therefore, he does not see any reason for the state to deny his clients bail. Luis Borges, who represents Laurentius, also told the court his client is not a threat to the public and his detention is putting his business at risk. Borges says his client cannot leave the country if granted bail because his family and all his property are in Namibia. He argued that his client, who will not have come back after he was informed that police started confiscating his personal and business properties while he was in London. But state prosecution Rowan van Wyk opposed the granting of bail, saying the Chinese suspects have no connection to Namibia apart from their wives and could leave the country if granted bail. Van Wyk further argued that the evidence by the second accused that he was just a driver of the company is not true because the state had established that he had signing rights to some of the documents in question. Magistrate Alwendo Venachus postponed the matter to Monday next week for final judgment. Salomo Tenga, NBC News, Windhoek.